We're getting ready to head east on 62. That was a giant truck. I'm so glad no one was behind me. Oh, Oklahoma, man. Oklahoma. Whew. Okay. Just got through shooting an amazing 360 tour on that 5 acres there in Meeker, Oklahoma, on that building. And now I want to take you on a driving tour of Meeker, Oklahoma. So, if you're relocating to, moving to, or moving within Oklahoma, and you're looking for 5 acres in rural Oklahoma with a shop and a pond already on it, this is the video you're going to want to watch to learn more about Meeker, Oklahoma. Let's get started. Now, if this is your first time to the channel, thank you for visiting. Subscribe, like, and share. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos about relocating to, moving within Oklahoma. My name is Josh Barnett. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty. The team of agents that I work with and I make these videos to help customers learn more about the local real estate markets so that when you move here or relocate here or move within here, you call us so we can help you when it comes to buying or selling a property, home, land, etc., etc. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos. All right, first up, we're going to Meeker Lake. Meeker Lake. I'm just paying attention to the GoPro up there, make sure it doesn't fly off. Comments, questions down below, anything that you have about Meeker, Oklahoma, I want to get those answered for you, or rural Oklahoma in general. That is what I do. All right, we got one more road to go. One more road, and first stop is Meeker Lake. Then we'll come back and hit the park, the elementary school, the middle school, the high school, and then that will be it. So this is Highway 62. It runs east to west and west to east through Meeker, Oklahoma. Highway 62 does. Here it is, right here. This is Meeker Lake. So off the 62, you're going to go south on, it's not called Meeker Lake Road, but it's called something else. Like, someone's blotted out the road, but I think it's like 3430 or something. Whatever. I'm sorry that road number's not pulling up. I need to quit staring at that because it probably looks weird with me trying to stare at it over and over again. But Meeker, Oklahoma is a rural town in Oklahoma. And I'm sorry my signs behind me are so loud. This was kind of a spur of the moment driving tour of Meeker, Oklahoma, because we're doing that photo shoot and that 360 tour on that 5 acres with the shop and the land. I wanted to go ahead and drive through Meeker real quick and show it to you while I was out here. So sorry about the signs making noise. Put any questions or comments down below. Some parts of Meeker do have a fire subscription where you got to pay once a year to receive fire services at a discount should something happen. Now, they'll come and take care of your problem no matter what. They sure will. It'll just cost you a lot more if you're not paying for the annual fire service fee in Meeker, Oklahoma. The library is provided by the town of Meeker itself. It's not a part of any library system or anything like that, like some of your bigger metropolitans are. What I mean is like Oklahoma City Metropolitan Association of Libraries is one big conglomerate. The town of Meeker provides the library on its own. So, cool little fact right there. Okay, the GoPro's still up there. Here we go. Meeker baseball and softball fields and Meeker Lake. Let's go take a look at it together. It is December when this video was first shot. December is when this video was first shot. So all this dry grass is because it's wintertime. It's wintertime. In the spring, all this would be green. Green, 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 lush fields. I hope the lake's open. I didn't even think about that. Okay, it's open. It's open. Yes! Yes, look at that. Beautiful lake right there. That is great. Look at this. That is awesome. I wish I had a fishing pole. Well, the water's really choppy today. So even if I had a fishing pole, I wouldn't be going fishing. But yeah, this is awesome. Oh, I should have drove the other way. I'm slamming the GoPro camera into the sun right now. I should have drove the other way. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Look at all those picnic tables. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 picnic tables, and they all have a charcoaler. That's nice. Little play set up here for the kiddos, and you got a men's and women's porta potty style restrooms. Those are little block restrooms. I bet those stink. But they might not. They might not. So don't let me assume. I don't want to assume. You got the little kids play toy right there. Let's go look at the softball fields. There's a trail right through there and a camp along that trail. So that's cool. Some more picnic areas down there. I really wish I hadn't brought those signs. They're probably making some background music. Noise. Background noise. This is a great looking little lake. Coming up on the softball field, you can see the lights off in the distance. Great big field lights. Here are the softball fields. Concession stand over there. Parking over here to the right. Got a bunch of parking. And we got some kids playing t-ball or something over here. I don't want to mess up their little party. So those are the softball fields. This is all the parking area. I'm going to jump out and make sure that the GoPro is still recording. Here, let me just fire up the... All right, we are still recording. Let's get going. Okay, that was Meeker Lake. That was the Meeker softball fields. Now let's go to the park. I want to show you the first park. I believe it's Boy Scouts Memorial Park. Meeker Homestead Park. Meeker Homestead Park. So let's go take a look at it. Man. This is great, having this lake right here. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. That's awesome. This is Oklahoma. This is why people move to Oklahoma. So Meeker, in relation to getting to Oklahoma City, is about 45 minutes out, down I-40 north when you get to Shawnee. And then it is south of Stillwater, about an hour. And it is just south of Chandler by about 12 minutes. North of Shawnee, I'm going to say about 12 minutes. So it's in the middle of Chandler and Shawnee. It is east of Oklahoma City. And if you want to go to Stillwater, it's about an hour away. So this was Meeker Lake. All right, like, subscribe, and share with all your friends wanting to move to Oklahoma. Team of agents that I work with tonight at eXp Realty, we're here to earn your business. So if you want to live in rural Oklahoma, in a town that's got its own lake, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'll take a look at homes in Meeker, Oklahoma. Look at the cows. Look at the cows up here on the right. Right, yeah. Cows are awesome. If I had cows, I'd never get anything done because I'd just stand around and count them all day. I would literally get nothing done. I'd be worried about my cows all the time. All right, when we get up to the stop sign, I'm going to go ahead and see if I can pull up our driving on the iPad so I can record the map. So we're getting ready to head east on 62. That was a giant truck. I'm so glad no one was behind me. Oh, Oklahoma, man. Oklahoma.